Alright guys, welcome back. Axtuo is back and how you doing? Hope everything is good with you. I have this 2010 Honda Odyssey. I'm gonna show you how to replace the alternator, which is hiding down here. You know, from 2005 to 2010. This video is for you. Comment so you want to say about the car, put in the comment box. Shout outs to everybody that support the channel. Thank you. Let's get it. Axtuo. We're gonna disconnect the battery first. You can do any power or ground. I'm gonna do the ground. And remove these clips. Okay. Probably you don't have to though, but I feel better doing it. Then here, it's a flat screwdriver, just to turn that. To remove this cover. So I need to see better. Okay. Here. I'm gonna clamp this line. This is a steering line. I'm gonna clamp it with this so it's not leaking. I'm gonna remove that clamp because I need that space. I'm gonna remove this just like that. Here, clamp. It might leak. Let's see. Ooh, yeah. But that's it though, it's not gonna leak no more. Don't forget 10mm right here for this for the ground. 10mm. 10mm down there, Gucci. Remove this 10mm here. This one also. You might not need to remove this one, but I do it though, just because I like to be comfy. It might work soon. I think I did this job before. I remember it. Right there where my wrench is, that's 15mm socket. Okay, I'm gonna use that to remove the belt. Okay, push it counterclockwise to the left from here. Okay, once you push it all the way, you're gonna lose the belt, then remove it. Now here, to reach the connectors for the alternator, which are right here, I'm gonna remove the coil. Okay, just pinch this. This one is easy, pinch it, remove the connector. Then this Allen is gonna be 6 mm. Okay, let me show it to you. Yeah, it's this one right here. Alright. With this, we're gonna remove this bolt. I'm gonna remove that. Sorry guys, it's kind of difficult to record and do the job at the same time. You know what I'm saying? I hope you understand that. And don't be judgmental. That's pretty long though. You don't need to disconnect this though, but I think you do, because the coil is not gonna go out if you don't disconnect this. So we're gonna disconnect it. Just press it. All right. Now we're gonna remove this. Just like that. I really don't want to mess with my back, so I'm tall. I'm a tall guy. So I'm gonna raise it so I'm not bending over. incurring my lower back. Just a little bit though. Alright, now you better peel this off, pulls, some rubber. Then over here, this connector, you just gotta squeeze it. This is gonna be look like a 13 or 12. Okay. Over there, down there, is the other connector. Alright, you see this little guy over here, the 10mm, that one. Gotta take that one to this one, because that one holds the wiring. Okay, we want to put that to the side. Okay. Alright, that bolt right there, that one, that one right there, this is the one that holds the alternator. Then there's another one right, this one right here. You see it right? That one too. Okay. I believe this one down here is 15mm socket. This one is 13 or 12. Alright guys. Okay guys, so you're gonna have to pull it through here. You gotta push this to the side. Okay. Like that. Remove that bracket. This is what holds the alternator here. This is 12, and here it is. Got new belts. Got a new belt. This is our guy right here. Made by Denso. Make sure it is the same thing. So match the parts. You know that. Thumbnail. Alright, the same way you remove it, the same way you put it back. Alright, let's get it. Alright, so you put the bolts back before you start tightening it. No, you put everything back. Once it's all set up, start tightening the bolts and put everything back. Don't forget the belt. Okay, that's pretty much it. Alright, put everything back, connect the battery, start the car, and that's it. If you have any questions, just put in the comment box. Follow the leader. It's Axtuo. Boom. Alright, subscribe, like, share, all of that. Shout outs to subscribers, shout outs to the supporters. You know it's me, Axtuo. Boom. So this is how your serpentine bell is gonna go. Okay, that's the power steering, pump, tensioner, alternator, crankshaft, pulley, compressor, AC compressor. Alright. So you put the valve first, and with a 14mm socket, put it here, push it counterclockwise or towards the back, and that's it. That's pretty much it. Alright. Now I'm out. See ya.